Strange Borders and Odd Geography Facts of the World MCQ Quiz. Which country has a border inside another country making it an enclave nation? Lesotho, Nepal, Bhutan, Mongolia. And the right answer is which two countries share the longest international border in the world? USA and Mexico, Russia and China, Canada and USA, Argentina and Chile. And the right answer is which country has the most number of time zones? Russia, France, United States, China. And the right answer is which country has a border that changes daily due to tidal waters? India and Bangladesh, Netherlands and Belgium, Spain and Morocco, Denmark and Germany. And the right answer is which country is located inside the city of Rome? San Marino, Vatican City, Monaco, Liechtenstein. And the right answer is which country shares land borders with both Spain and France? Andorra, Portugal, Italy, Belgium. And the right answer is which country has the shortest coastline in the world? Monaco, Jordan, Iraq, Bosnia and Herzegovina. And the right answer is which country has territory on two different continents? India, Brazil, Turkey, Mexico. And the right answer is which border is known for houses divided between two countries? USA-Canada border, Belgium-Netherlands border, France-Germany border, Italy-Austria border. And the right answer is which country has the most neighboring countries? China, Russia, Brazil, Germany. And the right answer is which country is completely surrounded by South Africa? Eswatini, Botswana, Lesotho, Zimbabwe. And the right answer is which country has a diagonal border that looks artificially drawn? Egypt, Namibia, Chad, Sudan. And the right answer is which country owns the Kaliningrad exclave separated from its mainland? Germany, Poland, Russia, Lithuania. And the right answer is which country has a border that passes through the middle of a building? Belgium, Netherlands, Austria, Switzerland. And the right answer is which country has no rivers at all? Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Oman. And the right answer is which country is divided into two separate parts by another country? Malaysia, Pakistan, Italy, Greece. And the right answer is which border was created by a straight line drawn on a map during colonial rule? India, Pakistan, USA, Canada, Egypt, Sudan, Chile, Argentina. And the right answer is which country has a panhandle that looks geographically unusual? Italy, Afghanistan, Norway, Thailand. And the right answer is which country shares borders with both North Korea and Mongolia? Japan, Russia, China, Kazakhstan. And the right answer is: which country has an exclave called Nakhchivan? Armenia, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Iran. And the right answer is: which country is located at the meeting point of Europe and Asia? Spain, Turkey, Greece, Italy. And the right answer is: which country has the only border crossing inside an airport terminal? France, Switzerland, Spain, Germany. And the right answer is: which country's border crosses through Lake Victoria? Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, all of the above. And the right answer is: which country is known for having a zigzag-shaped border with Belgium, France, Germany, Netherlands, Luxembourg? And the right answer is: which country has the most islands in the world? Indonesia, Philippines, Sweden, Japan. And the right answer is: